Welcome, here I've got SONY Xperia 5 II and I'm gonna show you how to change photo size in the camera app at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner to this button. When we tap on this we can open the advanced camera settings, and here we have still image size option, so let's pick this. As you can see we have 3 options that we can manage. The ratio connected with the quality, so we have 4:3 ratio with 12 megapixels, 16:9 ratio with 9 megapixels, and also 1:1 ratio with 9 megapixels. And this is how to change this. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.